Hello everyone, my name is Marlene Rocio Robles Madroñero. I am 28 years old. I live in La Dorada, Putumayo. I am in the 6th semester in bachelor's degree in foreign language with emphasis in English. In this opportunity, I talk about this course teaching English for a specific purpose. My expectations for this course are to be able to understand the purpose of teaching English and to know the main elements and which is present. And also have a good communication with my tutor and classmates and learn new things that help me my training. Others know the learning theories and the approach for the design of the course. To achieve this, I must dedicate time to the each proposed activity and develop them carefully. The contents of this course are very enriched for a teacher in training. Science is about how to analyze the needs of the students, purify our language, and learn to produce didactic materials according to the ESP. The 5 topics more interesting for me are the approach to course design, selection of materials, analysis of student needs, production of didactic materials, and design of the study program. And I think that learning to analyze the needs of the students allowed for me to clear many ideas for the production of materials and others. And I think that the techniques and pedagogy that I have received have been very controversial. My experience with learning English, like customers, many ups and downs. So ESP will help me better understand the situation, and I experience that I am still trying to understand. And I have not been enrolling in an ESP course, but according to the description of this course, it will be very interesting and useful for my training as a teacher. It's all for you. Thank you very much.